Now going to the configurations. So what kind of configurations you will require? You will require a lot of different kind of configurations. One is the enterprise structure. So in enterprise structure, you need to define, first thing you need to define as a consultant, plants. What kind of different plants would be used? Now the discussion looks very simple here, but it can be very complex to define plants. Two places which is very near to each other, whether it need to be created as a single plant or two plants. Okay, one storage warehouse is there, which is 5 kilometers away, whether it should be created as a plant or storage location. These kind of discussions will come into picture. In our SAP Job and Mastery, we explain that how these kind of discussion would be coming into the different phases and how a consultant need to handle them. So you need to define plant, you need to define storage location. Within the manufacturing facilities, what would be the storage location? Quarantine storage location, quality storage locations, semi-finished goods storage locations, finished goods storage locations. A lot of different storage locations would be required. Company code and other things would be done by the finance consultant. Plant and storage location would be done by the PP consultant.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Now, other thing would be required, PP configs. PP configs are also we discuss in depth. I will just show you again the screen that where we go and we'll be talking about the PP configurations. This is the PP configurations. This is a confirmation parameter itself. Multiple configuration is there. Some part how the configuration will happen for the confirmations. For that, you need to configure the system, and different configuration we have talked about here. So this is a complete mind map for the complete configurations in PP. Okay, what you need to do into the MRP controller related configuration, production supervisor, order type and depth configuration. There are a lot of things you need to do for order types configuration. Everything has been explained here. Production scheduling profile, what are the things, what configuration you need to define? Everything we go into the very detail. What parameters are available, how these parameters would be impacting it, what transaction code is required for configuration. Scheduling parameters, what are the scheduling parameters we need to maintain and how it would be impacting. Availability check control. What are the things we need to do step by steps, how the availability check control need to be set it up. Okay, in different step, what you need to do first, second, what you need to do, third, what you need to do. All the things has been explained here. So these kind of multiple mind maps are there, which will be helping you to become SAP PP consultant to learn the concepts. Okay, so we have a PP configurations, we have a configuration parameters, we have a MRPs, which has been explained. We have a planning master data, capacity planning, repetitive manufacturing. These all are the different processes are there, which has been explained by using mind map technologies. It has been explained in detail in this training. So we'll be going in depth in our coming training for this. Kanban process, sales and operation planning, batch management, how the batch management would be handled. Okay, a lot of things will be there in this training. So I would be stopping my session here with this basic explanation.